Hi everybody, this is the abandoned train station in Walpole. Look at it. It's more like a train depot. And look at the tracks, they're like this. And it just stops. And I think it used to be, we're near factories, so it's an old factory. And it's just really abandoned. It's pretty amazing. Look at that. Graffiti. You guys don't touch anything because it could be old. We don't want the thing to fall right down. But it's exactly what we were looking for. And it's just as amazing as we thought. In fact, it's more amazing than we thought it was because it just keeps on going. What do you think, Gibson and Sebring?
It's so
pretty good.
It's super good. I'm finally. This is the time of my life. And look!
Oh my God.
And we found it for real life.
Look
Whoa,
at
Daddy,
the
look.
old
Be
station.
careful, hole.
Oh my God. There's a hole I didn't even see. Thanks, Sebring. There's a hole right through there, you guys. And I didn't see it. My son hadn't pointed out. I would have fallen right under. But look at this, you guys. It's just crumbling. The rages of time wait for no one.
Hey, I wonder if this staircase will.
And it goes way down there.
Oh, Daddy,
Do we want to walk down here a little further?
Daddy, I think what I actually saw,
Let's go, Robbie. Don't walk through that hole.
Oh God!
Be careful.
No.
Yeah, be careful.
Yes.
Normally I would not walk down here, but it's metal, the floor, so I'm not as nervous. Did this end at the tracks? I think it ended, so I think this, no, the tracks are right there. Oh my God, this must have been a big factory. It just goes down and down and down. Look at the roof. Oh my God. And here, see, that's the backside. And then we're going right through the wall here.
I don't want to jump.
Oh, look, what is this, Sebring?
I don't know. It's just like some sort of ramp.
It's a ramp. It's amazing. Look at this ramp.
There's an old ramp for
It goes
wheelchairs.
way down. This is the back.
Maybe it's for wheelchairs.
Let's take a look. So it must have been where they loaded up the. This is where they loaded up the goods. All right.
Daddy, look! There's even windows.
Yep.
It
The
looks
old
like a train car.
boarded up windows, and it's got tar paper covering it.
Pretty damn nice.
Pretty nice, huh?
Pretty nice.
I
Daddy,
think-
like it.
I have a sensation that there's definitely paranormal activity around here too. I think there's some kinds of ghosts. And it's a little bit dangerous too. No, it's not too far.
Yeah, if someone fell, they'd just be completely fine unless they landed on their head.
Yeah, they might break their arm or something. Okay, guys, let's go back.
Let me hold the camera.
Okay, I'll meet you guys back.
No. I want you to get hurt. Okay, let's go.
Give me. Oh,
I'll hold the baby. You talk to the camera and keep filming.
okay. You probably seen Ghost App and old Saji's videos. What the heck are you doing?
Come on, Gib. Watch out, there's a hole right there.
Daddy, what's this filming? He jumped off? Oh. Daddy, are we going to come back?
Come back. Spend a lot of time.
Wait, Daddy. A drawing of
Let me see, Gib.
Splendor. No. It's Splendor.
All right, here we go.